Hey Lou, so this video is to show you the changes I want in the login process for the pilot training management system. As we discussed, I'll probably make most of these changes. I just want to make the video to practice Camtasia and communicate to you what I'm going to do. So I've developed a flowchart to help keep track of the process. So far, I went to Aviator Instructor homepage, I hit the login button, and then since I'm creating a new account, I hit the register button. I inputted the username, email, and password, and now I'm on the main info collection page, which is this one. So the first change is I would like two columns, a required column and an optional column. The required column will have first name, last name, own an iPad. The rest of the info will be over in the optional column. So it'll be a required column, an optional column with headers, of course. And then right in here is where the first major change in the process starts. I'd like a decision button right there saying, would you like to create an account as an instructor or a student? So that's represented in this process right here is the user creating a student or instructor profile. We'll start with the instructor process. So if the user says they're creating an instructor profile, then it instantly collects the instructor information, which is here at the bottom currently. This is good. This is all the correct stuff in the field. So highest instructor rating held, work as, CFI number, CFI expiration date. That's good. So after that little bit of information is collected, then we have to get some more information about the pilot because an instructor may have more category and classes on their license or ratings than they have instructing privileges for. So this requires a couple more additional fields, and I'll figure out how to try to structure that in the database. It's not a pressing issue right now, but we just want to get highest license held, so private, commercial, or airline transport pilot, ATP. Now the pilot certification number, date of issuance, and are usually the same as the CFI. So after the CFI information is collected, we're brought up here to pilot number, date of issuance. A little button that says same as CFI number would be helpful to automatically load the CFI number into there. And then it goes on to medical information collection, which would be right in here, medical class, and then the date you got the medical, so we can calculate when it expires. And then it goes to the go to catch process, and what that does is it brings it up here and then takes the user to the appropriate main page configuration. So back down to if the user is creating a student profile, there's another decision that needs to be made, whether they are a true student, meaning they're starting from scratch, or whether they are already a private pilot and are working on something else. Now, as we discussed, this option right here will be farther down the line in development. We're concerned with the student process initially, but I don't see any reason to just put the action in right now where it takes them to this page where they input the information and then what they want to work on. And then finally their medical class, date of issuance, and then back to catch process. So if they are a student starting from scratch, one more decision: do they already have a student pilot's license, or have they not even done that yet? And as you saw, as you just experienced getting your student pilot license, the medical and student pilot license come at the same time. So if they say yes, then we just input that information here, go to catch process. No, then go to catch process, and they're brought to the student page. Thank you for watching my first Camtasia video. I'm going to start learning ASP.NET and get used to using Visual Studio. Talk to you later.